Welcome to my channel, Luxury Car 001. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the 2025 Ferrari 12 Cilindri. Ferrari has once again pushed the boundaries of design, performance, and engineering to deliver a masterpiece that embodies everything the prancing horse stands for. This car is a tribute to the brand's legendary V12 heritage, and it brings modern innovation to classic Ferrari excellence. The heart of the 12 Cilindri is, as the name suggests, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces an astounding 830 horsepower. Ferrari enthusiasts will love the symphony of the V12, a sound that defines pure automotive passion. This powertrain is paired with an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear changes and seamless power delivery. The result? A breathtaking 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.8 seconds and a top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour. The design of the 12 Cilindri is nothing short of spectacular. It draws inspiration from Ferrari's most iconic front-engine GTs, blending aerodynamic efficiency with an aggressive stance. The sleek, low-slung profile is complemented by sharp lines, sculpted air intakes, and a long hood that emphasizes the beastly V12 lurking beneath. At the rear, a bold diffuser and quad exhausts add to its dynamic presence. Every detail of this car has been meticulously crafted to balance aesthetics and performance, making it a head-turner on any road. Inside, Ferrari has elevated luxury and technology to new heights. The cabin is driver-focused, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen that offers seamless connectivity. Premium materials such as carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine leather create an atmosphere of exclusivity. The steering wheel integrates Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allowing drivers to switch between driving modes for the perfect balance of comfort and performance. One of the most remarkable aspects of the 12 Cilindri is its advanced aerodynamics. Ferrari has incorporated state-of-the-art active aerodynamics, including an adaptive rear wing and air vents that optimize downforce and cooling. This ensures superior handling and stability at high speeds, giving drivers confidence whether on a racetrack or a winding mountain road. The chassis is also engineered for precision, featuring a lightweight aluminum frame and a sophisticated suspension system that enhances agility and responsiveness. Ferrari has always been at the forefront of technological innovation, and the 12 Cilindri is no exception. It features the latest in electronic driver aids, including Ferrari's side slip control system, which enhances traction and stability. Advanced braking technology ensures rapid deceleration, providing safety without compromising performance. Everything about this car is designed to offer an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining complete control. The 2025 Ferrari 12 Cilindri is a statement of power, elegance, and heritage. It represents Ferrari's unwavering commitment to producing world-class supercars that inspire enthusiasts across the globe. Whether you're a collector, a Ferrari fan, or simply an admirer of automotive excellence, this car is a dream come true. Let me know in the comments what you think about Ferrari's latest creation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content on the world's most luxurious and powerful cars. See you in the next video.